Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I'm going to draw and color beautiful cartoon character Bheem, or bodybuilder, step by step. Let's start drawing. First I'm drawing the two eyebrows, and then two beautiful eyes. I draw nose, mouth, and his beautiful head like this. Now, drawing ears and earrings. This time, I will draw its long hair and hang it on top of it. I draw hand and fingers. Wow, awesome! 5 finger is also completed. Next, I will draw its body and hands. I'm drawing a very nice body for it now, which will look very nice. Now, I will draw this Bheema's dhoti, which will attract you very much. I will draw 2 long lines and I will draw small curved lines on the left and right sides. I draw 2 legs. This is the first leg, and this is the second leg. Now I will draw the fingers of the hand that are running. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Amazing! Let's start coloring. Yellow color. Where is one color in some places of Bheem? Red color. I am giving this character's entire dhoti a red color, which will look very nice on children, and they love the color red very much. Or in color, I am giving this color to the whole body of this cartoon character Bheem. I am using this color on their face, hands, and basically their entire skin. I thought this color looked good on screen. Wow, that's great! Now I'm using this color all over the body, which will definitely give the whole picture a realistic look. That's why I'm using this color as a shadow. So kids' drawing is about to be ready. Wow, awesome! Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!